English Persian past tense. I was.
بودم.
You were.
تو بودی.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to time travel into Persian past tense with me? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language sidekick. For more tips, printables, and drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Your goal today. In the next minutes, you'll nail the Persian past of to be. By the end, you'll confidently say, I was.
بودم.
You were, SG.
تو بودی.
He, she was.
او بود.
It was.
بود.
We were.
ما بودیم.
You were, plural.
بودی.
They were.
آنها بودند.
Forms at a glance. Repeat after me, quick, punchy, and powerful. I was.
بودم.
You were, singular.
تو بودی.
He was.
او بود.
She was.
او بود.
It was.
بود.
We were.
ما بودیم.
You were, plural, formal.
بودی.
They were.
آنها بودند.
Mini dialogue. Listen in and shadow the bold parts aloud. A. Where were you yesterday? B. I was at home.
من در خانه بودم.
A. He was late, right? B. Yes, he was.
او بود.
A. And the concert? B. It was amazing.
عالی بود.
A. You all were so loud at the party. B. True, you, plural, were excited.
شما هیجان زده بودید.
A. By the end, we were tired. B. Same here.
ما بودیم خسته.
A. Who stayed to clean? B. They were the heroes.
آنها بودند.
Funny memory hooks. Let's lock it in with playful brain tricks. Ghost says, boo. You clap back, boo damn. I was equals.
بودم.
Talk to your buddy. To, buddy. You, SG, were equals.
تو بودی.
Point at the culprit in a movie. He, she was equals.
او بود.
Short and sweet for, it was.
بود.
Boom, done. Team chant for, we were.
ما بودیم.
Thumbs to chest, then out to the group. A crowd response for, you were, plural.
بودی.
Imagine a stadium. Point to a group photo, they were, equals.
آنها بودند.
Culture tip. Small talk like a local. Use tiny past tense phrases to sound natural. Compliment yesterday with short bites. Last night, it was cold.
دیشب سرد بود.
I was happy.
خوشحال بودم.
We were at the bazaar.
ما در بازار بودیم.
Speed drill. Say the answer out loud before I do. Say, I was, in Persian. Answer.
بودم.
Say, you were, singular. Answer.
تو بودی.
Say, he was. Answer.
او بود.
Say, she was. Answer.
او بود.
Say, it was. Answer.
بود.
Say, we were. Answer.
ما بودیم.
Say, you were, plural, formal. Answer.
بودی.
Say, they were. Answer.
آنها بودند.
Quick quiz. 3 fast checks. Trust your instinct. Translate. We were ready.
ما آماده بودیم.
Fill the blank. Yesterday, you, plural, were amazing.
دیروز شما عالی.
Answer.
بودی.
True or false.
او بود.
Can mean he was or she was. True. Challenge time. Ready for a one-breath story challenge? Record yourself saying a mini story using all 7 forms. Yesterday I was tired.
بودم.
You, SG, were late.
تو بودی.
He was at home.
او بود.
It was quiet.
بود.
We were hungry.
ما بودیم.
You, plural, were kind.
بودی.
They were happy.
آنها بودند.
Quote. Wrap up. You did great, high five. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these bite-sized phrases daily, and revisit this episode for shadowing. For more lessons, cheat sheets, and interactive drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.